Collins, the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang. This is the show where I eat something really spicy and you just kind of sit there. And today I've got something fascinating. This is Hello Kitty Spicy Noodle Soup. Came by way of the people over at Asha Foods USA. So it's under their Prince Katsu brand range. There's this Hello Kitty spicy noodle soup, and then they also have a chicken one for those who are not keen on spicy. Here's what I did. I added an egg, I added a little crushed red pepper, chili oil, some fried onion, and some fried garlic, and a smattering of sesame seed. Currently, our grocery store has no produce, really no food, no cat food, no tortillas, no bread, not much of anything. We had Christmas, and then it snowed, and now we have nothing. Nothing. No green onions at the store. I would have this all garnished up all happy, but guess I can't do that, can I? Well, Miles has said he's interested in giving it a try today. Yeah, that's pretty good. You want to come give it a try?
No, I don't.
You don't?
Hello.
My children, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I suppose...
And I'm 5 years old.
You are 5 years old. She just turned 5 years
I'm
old.
6 years old.
Yeah, and you've been 6 for a little while.
Now you're drinking, Papa.
I drink the liquid to make sure I don't get hiccups while I'm doing the mukbang. Yeah.
You don't have hiccups.
I don't want hiccups while I'm doing a mukbang. Can I get a ready, set, go?
Ready, set, go!
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it's really not a spicy one. It's pretty good, though. Hey.
Hey? I don't want to try it. I don't want to try it.
Go on, it's not spicy.
I don't want to eat it.
No? Come
I
on.
don't want to eat it.
Come on. If you eat it, Miles, I'll give you a cookie. Ugh.
Shucks.
It's Papa pressure. Come on. You eat this, I'll give you a
don't want
cookie.
to
I'll give you a cookie.
I don't want to wash.
You try. It's spicy, but it's such a little amount of spicy you can handle it. Look, I mean it's a Hello Kitty.
I think it's still Hello Kitty.
It's Hello Kitty, so if you eat it, it's not going to be too spicy. You can handle this. I guarantee it. You're not going to like run for the hills.
I thought that was Mimi's food. For six.
Poor Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty's going to be sad you wouldn't try Hello Kitty's product.
Oh.
Hello Kitty is 5 apples tall.
I do like 60 cookies. I'm still like cookies.
Well, you going to eat a piece of noodle?
I'm gonna try a piece of cookie.
No, that's not an option.
Cookie!
No cookies, sir.
Yeah.
No. I wish one of you guys would at least try. It's pretty good. I think you'd like it. No.
No!
That's my perfect egg.
It's so
And the egg is spicy. They're harassing me. Where's the Hello Kitty ears? I could wear the light up Hello Kitty ears while I eat this. Yeah, where are your Emma and Kate monstrosity Hello Kitty ears?
was my Spider-Man costume.
Mm-hmm.
I don't forget something. I forgot.
Here's your noodle. I'll give you a nice big chocolate chip cookie if you eat this noodle.
I don't want a noodle.
Okay. You don't want a chocolate chip
Here's
cookie.
a cookie.
No cookie for you.
Yes, cookie.
Mm-mm.
Yes, cookie.
Mm-mm.
Yes, cookie.
You have to follow the rules, kid. Go wear that.
And I can wear this.
I don't think this is gonna fit. That's a little better. Kitty, kitty.
Is it still spicy?
No, it was really not all that spicy to begin with. It's got a little bit of spice to it.
What do you mean spicy means?
Spicy is the stuff that makes your mouth hot.
Mouth hot?
Mm-hmm.
You're Hello Kitty.
Mm-hmm. I'm Hello Kitty.
And I don't have
my
a
Master
bow.
Builder shirt. Do you like my Master Builder shirt, Papa?
I do. I think that's awesome. And we're going to build a big, huge monstrosity out of Legos in a minute. And once I'm done with this, we'll do that.
Okay.
This is good. I'm enjoying
Yeah.
this.
I want some food.
Is that
Scoot! God! You guys just encroach.
I want food.
Well, you can have some later. I'll make you some of the chicken kind, okay? And then you can eat the noodles with
soup.
it. You don't want soup.
I still want soup!
Mm-mm.
Yes!
I want some of this. You will get a
You guys are freaking me out while I'm trying to eat noodles and soup. Done. How'd I do?
good.
Inspect. Is it all gone?
Yeah.
Yeah?
all gone.
I do good?
Yeah.
It's all gone? I did good?
Good.
Let's start.
All right. Well, if you like these things, you can go over to, I believe it's AshaFoodsUSA.com. I'll put a little link. Hey, don't open it. We're not going to make that one right now. But yeah, you can go get these. If you're looking at the review, there's a link in there. But anyways, yeah. Yeah, pretty good. So this has been Hans, and this has been...
Miles!
And this has been...
Mimi.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day.
Have a good one.
Bye!